With this video in mind, you should be able to load an invoice into the editor. The template is matched correctly, regardless if the invoice contains one or many pages. When PDFCommunicator is installed with demo documents and default settings, these steps should work for you. You can change folder locations to your own situation and share document definitions with other users. Now we remove the definition to start the explanation on how we came to this result. As we don't want to destroy the learning document set, the XML containing the definition is renamed. The result of that action will be that, after reloading, the definition is removed. We look at an empty invoice. Now, let's start defining the template as we have never seen this invoice before. The added fields are intelligent. It means that certain fields suspect a specific value when the value does not meet the specific data field's requirements. The edited field shows that the captured content is in conflict with the data that is suspected inside this data field. PDFCommunicator shares this intelligence to many countries already, and more to come as use spreads over the world. Inside the workflow, EasyData technology is able to capture data fields in error and act according to specific workflow. During the process of editing, many pop-up text messages will help the user with on-screen suggestions. Naturally, the user can decide to turn these messages off when the learning state is moving to personal expertise. EasyData has years of experience with table data extraction and converted this knowledge to this user-friendly system. Inside PDFCommunicator, the user is able to define and specify in great detail how the table must be read. By a simple step, the user can define where a table starts and where it stops. This smart way of table definition works on small or large number of page invoices. Any table size is captured, from a one-page invoice to more than a 100-page invoice. There is no definition difference. Invoice columns can be different in many ways, which can be noticed when defining a proper table. PDFCommunicator makes sure that the columns and lines are defined in a good way for further processing. Now it's up to you. Start using PDFCommunicator and gain office efficiency.